This video and this information could change your life. Just sit back, relax, and treat this video like a podcast and just pay attention. Hear me out for just a few minutes. Enjoy. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, how are my snipers doing today? Today we're going to be talking about Aave. Pretty much this coin is one of the coins and sites that allows you to pretty much borrow money and to do flash loans. Now, I will do a fundamental video on this, but today we are doing the technical side. So pretty much for a while, for a year, I would say, or more, we were pretty much going sideways on the weekly. And then eventually we broke out, we went back, we retested this area, and now we are pumping really strong over the last few weeks. Now, a few areas that could be very key levels just based off market cap are the 5 billion, 10 billion, and 15 billion. I don't really think this coin is going to go past 15 billion because although this is a very good site and cool thing, it's kind of been known for a couple years, and there's just going to be so many better coins and narratives out there, and no one really cares about the flash loans anyways because they're so confusing to do, and there's some coding involved, and most of it they're not even that effective. But nonetheless, where could we expect this price to hit? So if we just break this down, pretty much a few areas I'd be looking for is one of them is pretty much somewhere here. You can tell there's a lot of rejection here on the monthly and same here on the monthly. So I'm going to align down the middle around the $230 mark is an area you have to watch out for. I do think price will hit higher just because we are so early in this bull run. However, that is your first area you could take profit. A big area we actually have to look out for is on the 6-day candle. We can see we have an institutional candle right here. So price, if it was going to peak and not break the highs, we could see price go pretty much into this box right here, right? We could just be doing something like this overall, and then eventually tap in, go down like this, and then go down, right? We could do something like that. It just all depends how strong this price and token is going to do and how good the narrative is and everything else and how much money is going to be pumped into the markets, right? Another possibility is that we could pretty much tap these all-time highs and then just start looking down. Or another possibility is that we break above these highs and then slam down, or we retest them and continue going up further to possibly $15 billion market cap or a little bit higher. Now, obviously, I give you 3 or 4 scenarios, but we're going to need more data to see what's really happening. Right now, I pretty much gave you key areas. We pretty much broke above this nice weekly support, and now we're going to be going into this big zone once again, where there's a lot of rejection, so there's going to be a lot of resistance there, but I do think we're going to pass it, and I do think the next big area to watch for when you are looking from the technical side is this institutional candle right here. I'm really would be scared if you hold this coin to hold it past this. I would really be paying attention to this area to see how it reacts, if it breaks structure, and what it does. So right now, if you're supposed to get into this coin, pretty much you could see potentially on the more realistic side from where I think the coin's going to go around 2.5 times profit. So 3.5 times from here. So it's not bad, but it's not really that good, is it, right? There's so many other coins you could get so much more money from that I personally sit out of this.